how to fix iPhone lag after iOS 26 update. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Is your iPhone feeling sluggish and unresponsive after the latest iOS 26 update? You are not alone. Many users experience a dip in performance after major software updates. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to walk you through some simple yet effective steps to get your iPhone running smoothly again. First, let's check the low power mode. Head over to your settings because sometimes this feature, while great for battery life, can impact overall performance. You need to go to battery, and then if it is set to low power mode, just toggle it off. Just tap on it, toggle it off, and see if it makes a difference. Now, our second step is to update your apps. Developers often release updates to ensure the apps are compatible with the latest iOS versions. So, you can come back, head over to App Store, and then you can go to your profile icon in the top right. Go to App Updates and then tap on Update All. This ensures all your apps are optimized for the new iOS. Then you can come back, head over to settings again, and then you need to go to general, scroll down a bit, and go to background app refresh. So, this feature allows apps to update content in background while it can consume resources. So you can tap on it and turn it off. And then this can significantly help free up processing power. So I hope one of these solution helps you out. If it did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.